The arraignment's only an hour away. Come on, let's wait in my office till bail is set.
That way it looks a bit, Mike.
Who cares how it looks?
I do.
Okay.
There's my son. Cody? Hi. Cody Hawks. You've grown a full foot since I saw you last.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're so handsome. I see so much of your dad in your face.
He says I look like you.
So, why the quick getaway? Where's your dad, Cody? Is Dad all right? Cody, is Dad okay?
He's in jail.
Jail?
The first thing we do is get you in a nice tweed sport jacket. No tie, semi-tailored slacks, brown. Then a barber. We're going to get your hair trimmed and get you a shave.
Lisa, write your name, please. What you see, Lisa, is what you get. No shave, no new clothes, no haircut. How about we deal with the truth?
Mr. Hawks, with all due respect, what I am going to be doing in that courtroom is trying to buy time. Now, if the so-called truth comes out, that's fine. But let's try and confine ourselves to buying that time. Jesse. Oh.
You look great.
What's going on here? What are they doing here?
Marty's on vacation. There's a young DA in from the city. He'll be all right. Look at him. Hey, almost as tall as I am.
Almost?
Nah, come on.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Cody, get off your toes.
The judge is ready, Jesse.
Your Honor, in light of the physical evidence present at the scene of the murder, the details of the autopsy report, and new information regarding the missing $250,000, we feel we have sufficient evidence that a crime has been committed, and therefore recommend that Jesse Hawks be bound over for further proceedings. Thank you.
Ms. Elliott, welcome to Alpine County.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's a pleasure to be here.
Please, Ms. Elliott.
Your Honor, my client, Jesse Hawks, has served this country most of his adult life. At the age of 17, he enlisted in the Marine Corps. During that enlistment, he won numerous awards. At the age of 22, he entered the area of law enforcement, spending the next 3 years assigned as a United States Marshal to the California-Nevada District 4. At the age of 25, he was given the responsibility for establishing a special law unit to be known as the High Mountain Rangers. Mr. Hawks served as the ranger in charge of that unit until his retirement. To have this man sitting in this courtroom facing a charge of murder is a gross miscarriage of justice. The American judicial system...
Let's have a look at you, Hawks.
Looks like a dog, Hawks. Stubborn old dog.
You won't let go.
Let me shoot him, PJ. Let me have him.
But gut shoot him. Don't kill him. I want to bleed him first.
And in the interest of justice, Your Honor, we ask that you dismiss this charge outright. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, while it is true we are a nation of equals, when a man or woman carries a badge of civil authority, They are in a unique position to take advantage of their fellow citizens. As long as there is even a hint of wrongdoing by a police officer, we are obliged, no, we are mandated to fully investigate that charge. I am ordering the defendant to be held as charged and will set the date for a preliminary hearing 30 days from today.
Your Honor,
Yes, Mr. Hawks.
as the defendant in this case, I would like the preliminary hearing to proceed immediately.
Your Honor, please understand that my client has been under a great deal of stress.
Your Honor, the Constitution of the United States guarantees me a fair and speedy trial. That's all I'm asking for, Your Honor. I'm asking for my rights.
This is, to say the least, a most unusual request, Mr. Hawks. Mr. Hunter, how would the district attorney's office feel about proceeding at this time?
Your Honor, the district attorney's office is fully prepared to proceed at this time. In fact, we'd welcome it. An opportunity not only to expedite this matter, but to save the taxpayers
Save
some
your
money.
speeches, Mr. Hunter. Quite frankly, Your Honor, I don't feel I could prepare an adequate defense on such short notice.
Your Honor, we are ready to proceed.
Mr. Hunter, are your witnesses available on such short notice?
I'll need 2 hours, Your Honor.
Very well. It's now 10:30. We'll stand in recess until 1 o'clock. Court is adjourned until that time.
Are you aware that you just insured your own indictment? All we have to do is take 30 days. Your pal, the DA, would have been back from vacation, and we'd have had a better chance. I cannot defend you under the circumstances.
Hey, hold it, will you? First of all, you invited yourself here. I did. 2, I've been defending myself for 52 years. I think I'll keep it that way. Excuse me.
And rule number 3, when he gets that look in his eye, you're better off just to back off and walk away.
There was no blue bag up there. We checked the whole summit, the cave, the cliff. We even backtracked.
Well, maybe you guys overlooked it. Maybe it got left in the snow.
Maybe my dad or one of us took it? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Hey, Hawks don't steal.
What I am saying is, if the DA can prove that the money exists, then Jesse Hawks has a problem. A big problem. So I suggest that somebody get back up there.
You people aren't going anywhere. Subpoenas, gentlemen. I don't know whether or not I'll call you, but if I do, stay in the area.
Who is this guy anyway?
Right from the Bay Area. Should have stayed in the Bay Area. Looks like you and me again.
I guess so.
Beautiful on the mountain right now.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
Jesse, you really should be nicer to your lawyer. She seems to know what she's doing.
And I know what she's doing. She and the other attorneys like her. They're turning our courtrooms into a no-man's land of delays, technicalities, loopholes. Hell, they don't even speak English in there anymore. That's why I turned in my badge, Jackie. The system stinks.
Maybe. But it's all we've got. Isn't that what you always used to say to me?
You know you're more beautiful now than the day we got married.
And you're more evasive. Jesse, you have got to cooperate with your lawyer.
And do what? Jump through some legal loophole? No way. If they file charges against me, that's okay. I'll answer those charges.